This is the sworn affidavit of Rebecca Hill. She's a court of clerk that is being accused of jury tampering. So in a different separate video, and it's a longer video, I read the state's response for a request for a new trial and in regards to the jury tampering allegations. So if you guys want to watch that, that's in a different video. It's a lot longer. But in this video here, I just want to go over Rebecca Hill's affidavits and see what she said that she did and what she said she didn't do. So it'll be very interesting to see what happens after this and if there's going to be the evidentiary hearing afterwards. So here's a sworn statement. The evidence speaks to his guilt. He did not come with any other evidence to refute it. So they're claiming this jury should get a mistrial. So I want to know what the other jurors have to say. Exhibit A, signed affidavit of Rebecca Hill. Let's see what Rebecca Hill says. Personally appeared before me, the undersigned notary public duly authorized the administer oath, Mary Rebecca Hill. She's over the age of 18. The affidavit is submitted at the request of the Attorney General of South Carolina to address specific allegations contained in affidavit's exhibits attached to Mr. Murdaugh's motion for a new trial filed October 27, 2023. There are numerous misrepresentations and false statements contained within the motion for a new trial to which I was not requested to specifically address. As such, this affidavit is not intended to address every allegation contained within the motion of a new trial. Number 4, after being elected in 2020, I have served as a clerk of court in Colleton County. I was elected court of clerk for Colleton County during the state of South Carolina v. Richard Alexander Murdaugh. I reviewed Mr. Murdaugh's motion for a new trial filed October 27, 2023. Number 7, as to the allegations contained within the affidavit of Juror 630, A, I did not tell the jury not to be fooled by the evidence presented by Mr. Murdaugh's attorney. B, I did not instruct the jury to watch him closely. C, I did not instruct the jury to look at his actions. D, I did not instruct the jury to look at his movements. E, I did not say to the jury, this shouldn't take us long. F, when juror 826 asked to speak with me, the conversation took place in the jury hall within the earshot of bailiff Bill Polk. The conversation did not involve evidence, witnesses, or substance of a trial. Number 8, as to the allegations within the affidavit of Holly Miller discussed in an alleged conversation with juror 741. A, I did not have a private conversation with juror 826 in a bathroom. Yeah, that would be really weird. B, my conversation with juror 826 did not involve the evidence, witnesses, or substance of the trial. C, during the trial, I did not tell members of the jury that the media would want to interview them at the end of the trial. D, during the trial, I did not hand out business cards to media personnel. E, I did not tell jurors, y'all are going to hear things that will throw you off. Don't let this distract or mislead you. Number 9, as to the allegations within the affidavit of juror 785, I want to hear on why Becky asked the documentary producers to pay her some cash on the side to advertise her book at least. Yeah, I think it'll be really kind of juicy if we had an evidentiary hearing. Okay. I did not tell him to be influenced. Okay. A, I did not tell jurors not to be fooled by the evidence presented by Alex Murdaugh's attorneys. B, I did not ask juror 785 whether juror 785 was inclined to vote guilty or not guilty. C, I did not tell juror 785 that SLED and Colleton County Sheriff's Office personnel went to her ex-husband's house. D, I did not tell juror 785 that I would reinstate a restraining order against her ex-husband. E, I did not state to juror 785 that the Murdaughs probably got to him. F, I did not ask juror 785 about her opinions regarding Mr. Murdaugh's guilt. G, I did not ask juror 785, well, what makes you think he's guilty? H, I did not discuss the evidence presented at trial with juror 785. I did not tell juror 785 that everything Mr. Murdaugh has said has been lies. J, I did not tell juror 785 to forget about the guns. They'll never be seen again. K, I did not ask juror 785 about the views of the rest of the jury. L, I did not tell juror 785 that if one person would just go in and ask for a raise in hands, this would be done and over with. M, I did not inform juror 785 that everyone needs to be on the same page. N, I did not fabricate, nor did I create any Facebook posts related to juror 785. 10, as to the allegations within the affidavit of Holly Miller, discuss an alleged conversation. Juror, blah, 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 blah. Hi, Mariah. How are you doing today? As to the allegations within the affidavit of Holly Miller discussing an alleged conversation with juror 326. A, I did not tell jurors they're prohibited from taking a smoke break during deliberations. Ooh. She's denying like everything. Okay, we'll see what happens.